my mic was muted, but I don't think anyone's in here anyway. But yeah, looking at gold here, I'm up about 470 for the day. Got these across 3 accounts. Like if this 30 wants to break up, could be interested. Could be very, very interested. Especially with this strong rejection from the downside. What's up, Deleter? What's going on? Any trades for you today? Just a small one. Yep. Is that the one where you took in the Asia stream? Is that the one you take that as well? Up 76 after taking it L before. Oh yeah. How's the microphone audio to the music? Is the music too loud or is it pretty good? Oh, you took one on your own. Nice one. It's just right. Oh, yeah. Okay. Do you reckon maybe put my microphone up a bit? Might. Ecstatic, what's going on? What's going on? How are you going? I'll turn my microphone up a little bit. If that's too loud, let me know. It might be too loud actually. Doesn't sound too bad. I think it's alright for now. Yeah, I'm looking at this. See, yeah. I mean, I'm not really too fussed on taking a trade pre-London, like going into London. If it's a good setup, I'll take it. Yeah, I'm going good static. Going good. Had a good morning this morning with the Asia stream. Now I'm just chilling for London. And did you take any trades today? Yo, thanks mate. Thanks FMC. Appreciate it. We could potentially be cooked for London because of this massive move we had. Oh, it's not too big actually, it's only I mean, we'll go from 130 pips. It's a fair bit, but we'll see. Patience is key. Yeah, we'll see what this candle wants to do. See if it wants to push up past here. I mean, we've created this the support down here as well. Can mark that out, and then we'll see if we can. Because even like a break below here, you got this wick that could be filled. I mean, 25. The ranges are back to normal now, so it's a little bit different trading with these ranges. I'm a bit used to the ranges we were having earlier, like a couple months ago. But that's alright. That's fine. Yeah, it has been. Gold's been doing look at the 4 hour. The 4 hours bullish as ever since. Ever since yesterday. We've just been pumping quite a fair bit as well. Like the hourly, you could have taken this off the hourly at 8 AM. What's that? Retest. Very glad the ranges are back to the winds of. Yeah. I know the ranges, like a month or two ago were crazy. Like this one candle go on the 15. A candle like this used to be, what's that now? That's 53, yeah. Like a month or two ago, that candle here would be like 100 ticks. It was crazy. Yeah, we could be getting a bit of a push down here, like the 30. 30's kind of flipped. And then obviously this new 4 hour. New 4 hour as well. What's NQ doing? Seriously. Jesus. Fuck me. Yeah, NQ's fucking been dumping since lunchtime. Fuck yeah. Any opportunities for fuck me. I mean, you kind of had a decent opportunity here. What's it look at the 30? Yeah, it created that support. Broke below, good retest, and then obviously continue to push down. That would have been a good buy, a good sell. But I mean, I'd prefer to buy gold, obviously. Fuck me, you can't. I'd prefer to buy gold, obviously, with how much we've been moving. What's going on, Cody? How you going? How you fucking going, mate? Saw you had a good W before. That was a nice one. That major push where you bought. You bought like here, didn't you? And yeah, obviously pushed up heaps. But yeah, we'll see if this candle wants to break above. If this candle breaks above, I'm very interested. I know Dan usually doesn't really trade. I mean, take a trade if it's heading into London, but yeah, we'll see. 50-50, I think you're talking about like 50-50 with the trade you took, or it was a little bit 50-50, like, yeah. It just depends on what candle you entered on. Like, it looks like from the picture, it looks like you entered on the breakout candle, which, I mean, usually is a no-go. But I mean, like, other than that, it kind of wasn't too bad. Like, I mean, off that pop, I had to see it for those two. Oh yeah, yep. Yeah, like, I mean, it wasn't a terrible trade. Like, Raja Banks, he took the same trade, so yeah, it wasn't a bad trade. If you go onto Raja Banks's Instagram, yeah, you'll see that he took that trade as well. Cashy, what's going on? What's going on, Cash? Let's get this cash, lads. Had my order off the break. Oh yeah, yep. I gotcha. So the next candle tapped me in. Yep. Yeah, I mean, yeah, not like a textbook play, but yeah, like, it was still a good trade. Yeah, we'll see what's the right, where's 20 pips? Okay, so I don't really want to go on up that high. If it can hang around where it is, I'm very interested. You know why? Because we got clean range. We got about 37 pips up to this next support. And then we got a little bit of chop there. Oh man, what's that? 16 pips. So yeah, then obviously after that next support we got 78 pip clean range. So yeah, we'll see what happens with this candle. But it could do what it did yesterday. Just, yeah, like first day of the month. Actually, is there news? I think there's actually a fair bit of news for yeah, that's where we'd aim for if this can't the 3345 Cody, we'd aim for that. If this candle were to break out, you got this resistance here that we want to break out of. But yeah, we could, like, London could be not that great. Like, we got a fair bit of big news for New York. Got Governor Bailey speaks, Governor Wader, don't know who the fuck that is, and then Federal Chair Powell. He normally what's going on? He normally impacts the market quite a bit. So, but yeah, it would be good if gold can stay here. How come you haven't been able to get on the charts that much? Cash? Been working or something, just too busy? And then, yeah, Cody. Yeah, I mean, a win's a win, so... Yep, just wait for the next opportunity, which... I mean, if this candle stays... If this stays around here, I'm very interested in this. Is it worth staying out of news? Is an hour after open? Yeah, I don't know. Like, I've never really traded New York too often, but with news being an hour and a half into New York, like the New York Open could be dead as waiting for that news to break. So yeah, I don't know what time it is for you when New York is, but I won't be staying up for it. Come on, gold, don't fucking do us dirty. See, like, we could just get this type of shit for London, like... I mean, I'm still liking it. Like, it's what, only 13 pips so far. I had a buy stop sitting above the previous candle wick before I jumped on the stream, kind of like the type 2, even though there was some support close. It's been moving. Yeah, business has been. And why is 10 p.m? Oh, so you're Aussie, Cashy. Whereabouts in Australia are ya? Because I'm in Gold Coast. It's a good candle, yeah. Volume wise, like, I'm liking the volume. If this can give a good retest, I'll be interested. Nah, like, it's been constantly moving in the one direction, but like, hasn't been giving us the best opportunities. Like yesterday, we didn't really get that, or we didn't get any opportunities really. Like, well, yesterday the 30th. So like, yeah, all here, like, there was nearly opportunities, and then we consolidated, and then they just pushed up, and then on Friday I did get a trade over here. I took a sell, and then I sold profits at this wick over here, and then it moved a further like 200 pips. But nah, I haven't been getting too many. Oh, you're at Melbourne, nice. I just moved from Geelong, which is, yeah, near Melbourne. Yeah, need a deeper retest for sure. Even if it just retests down to this wick, one of those wicks. But we could easily just not get this. I would like to see this 30-minute on a type 2 and on NQ. See if this 30-minute candle can engulf. Yeah, could easily leave here for sure. If you're in the stream, guys, chuck me a like. Give me a few likes, that'd be good. It's not giving as much, is it? Not giving as much at all. Yeah, I reckon we're missing this one, lads. Like, it's already at that. Yeah, it's already at that next fucking support level. Yeah, I didn't actually realise how close we were to that support overeat already. Fuck, that's a bit frustrating. Put that up there. Dog and the homies, I know. Fucking dog cunt. Yeah, no, I can't be taking that with that small of a wick. Need it to be a decent wick. At least 10 pips. 10 pips. At least. Yeah, I wouldn't mind seeing this 30. Oh, but it kind of looks ugly on the 15. Yeah, not getting that because we got that there. I mean, what's that? Yeah, that's only 15. So now we need to wait for a break above there, or get some sort of type 2 play. But damn, that's annoying. Fuck, look at the volume. Yeah, we could be cooked for London here, lads, with this strong volume that we are getting. Am I still live? Yes, I am. Thought me stream fucking lagged out just then. I would have fucking been pissed. Yep, now we wait. Yeah, static. I just lagged out. I mean, nearly lagged out. My internet is not the best, unfortunately, in my new house. If this fucking 15 can close above, I know that's not much of a resistance, but the 30 will be like, I mean, on the 30 that's looking fucking clean. Dan's yeah. He's trying to sabotage me, the dog. He's trying to sabotage me. Yeah, when Dan's fucking on, you can't. Well, I should probably stop swearing. I don't know what YouTube's like. You guys can fucking go over to his stream. You'll be getting better signals there. Yeah, we'll see what this. I mean, keep swearing. Yeah, it's hard not to be honest. It's hard not to. Yeah, that's it, raw and uncut. I got fucking banned from TikTok live though. I was live streaming fucking Jake Paul's fight, and then like after half an hour, I had like 100 people in there as well, and like after half an hour it what's it called, got copyright banned for a week. So now I can't live stream on TikTok for a fucking week. Let me actually see if it says anything. So now we're getting this strong rejection, like. Fuck, Fuck, the NQ on 30-minute looks so clean. Let's see what it says. Live access suspended July 6th. Oh yeah, so fucking Sunday. What dogs? What fucking dogs? Fuck. Like, it is kind of pushing past like that. Damn, like NQ's, it's just like how Dan says with like the structure of on the 15-minute compared to like the 30. We want the bigger candle to be first. I mean, there's still time still 5 minutes, so anything can happen, but it's looking real clean on the 30 for a type 2 buy. Like real clean. Real bad man. Damn, what the hell? Gold's doing some weird things. What about $20? Dan's up at probably, like, even yesterday when he came into stream and he's up like 700. I'm like, what? I didn't see a single setup all day. Where was actually yesterday? Oh, that's the start of it. So that's the start of yesterday. Let's try and find a setup, like, and see where Dan could have possibly made $700. No setup, breakout, but overextended, consolidated, and just pushed up. Nah. Like, I don't see any setups here. Yeah, I've visited twice now. Not wearing I'm big and that's small. It's looking bloody good on this 30. I can. The hourly's even flipped, like. Entered off the grade. I'm talking about that trade. Yeah, actually, I need to actually, because I seriously don't know where he could have taken that trade yesterday. Like, yeah, I don't know. I really don't. If the 30 can close up near where that top wick is. We'll see what happens. 2 minutes left. Even like a bloody, I don't know. Nah. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh yeah, mint Cody, yeah. Yeah, hopefully he does a breakdown for that trade. Because yeah, I'm like so baffled as to where he took the fucking trade. Even this gold, like, little do know, it was off a 5 minute investment with a 1 minute break. Yep, no worries, Cash, all good. Thanks for popping in for the little bit that there was. I appreciate it. I really do. Yeah, well, I mean, I'm not interested in this NQ anymore. That's how it's closing. And then what's gold doing? Yeah. Jesus, what the look at NQ just as soon as market opened. As soon as it opened. I still worry about taking trade on NQ, not during NY. Why is that, Deleter? Like, I haven't had any issues with it. I think you just need to be like more A+ almost with NQ. Like, yeah, it needs to be more textbook in a way. It moves weird. It does move weird. Like, look at that. Like, look at that. Like, what the fuck? I did say I wanted to like take a buy, but it just didn't work out. Like the 15 didn't even break past that support. No bottom wick, obviously. Still in the first minute as well of London Open. Yeah, definitely can't take that trade. And then same with this. I was potentially interested in a buy, but I mean in a sell. But the 15 was too small, and yeah, obviously no top wick on this one. Yeah, that's it. FMC. What can I call you, FMCs? Do you have like an actual name, or do I just call you FMC? But yeah, definitely did call that out. Just didn't present us an opportunity. It's Frank. Oh yeah, sweet. I thought it was Frank from the Discord. I thought it was. By the way, Dan's up 5. Of course he is. Like where? Maybe here. Oh no, that's the one we got. That's the one we took on the stream. Fuck, I really don't know. Oh, all good. It's done. What's your name again? It's Stephen, isn't it? Let me look. Yeah, no, you're all good though. That's all good. Yeah, Stephen, how you going? Or Stephen? Also a little type 2 sell. If you're talking about this little type 2 sell here, Cody, I was thinking that, but I wanted this red to kind of close where its wick is, and then obviously we didn't really have much of a top wick. Oh, NQ. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, yep. Far out, look at NQ. Fuck. That's crazy. I fucking knew it as well. Fuck me, bro. It's like S&P doing that as well. Yep. Yeah, Steve. Yep, Steve. Yep, sweet. But yeah, that's crazy what NQ did. But we're kind of like in a bit of a like we got how much? There's only like 20 pips. Yeah, like it was the same trade. I think he just didn't have it linked. True. Yeah, like we're kind of in a bit of tricky situation. Like I'd rather almost see it trickle down a bit, and then create a type 2 buy on the way up. But yeah, this NQ. He's now, yeah, he has so many accounts. But I mean, that's where you want to get to when you have funded. When you got your funded, it's like you want to. Like, I mean, I got a 50k top step. I got 50k and two 25k Bullinox. That's 150k in funding. Like, these are small wins. $81 on my Bullinoxes times 3. That's 243. That's US. Australian, that's nearly like 300 Australian. And then obviously on my top step I got 69. So let me do some quick math. So it's 312. Just with these are small wins. 312 USD into Australian is 474. So if I had like, just say I had 10 accounts like what Dan does, that's $1,000 in one day. Yeah, I have two 25s and two 50Ks going. Oh yeah, nice. You're still in the challenge phase, aren't you, Cody? Yeah. Breakout candle on the 15-day push. Sorry. That breakout candle on the 15 man, did that push too far past resistance? Consider the next. So by the time we So by the time this pushed up past this resistance, it was, what was it, 18 ticks, but to the top of the wick it was 27. And normally you'd want to put like your buy order at the previous wick, or if this one had created a top wick like there, you'd put it there, but then you're running into all this shit over here, which is only 12 pips. You don't really want to be aiming for 12 pips on a trade. You want to be aiming for at least like 20. But yeah, if gold can push up, just can keep pushing up past this support, I mean this resistance over here, could be interesting. Got recommended your life. Over my strategy. Yeah, right. So well, just to put it simple, it's just price action. You wait for a break or break and retest. I'll show you the trade we took this morning to show you roughly, where is it? Yeah. So I took this trade this morning, and the reason was we had this support, this resistance here. So Asia started on this doji red here. So we had some big push up prior to Asia open, and then we had a bit of consolidation, and then this candle pushed past and broke out of the consolidation range. Yes, it pushed up 21 pips. It is a little bit overextended, but at the same time not really, because these ranges are back to normal, so it's pretty good. And then with the next candle, you want it to wick down and retest that resistance. And yeah, that's just a brief rundown of what we look for. Fucking hell, gold is pushing. And then look at NQ starting to push back down after that massive rally. Unbelievable. Yeah, I know, the 4 hour fucking push today is, or even just continually pushing up. It's crazy. Like, see, this is a big key level here. Like, this is a 30-minute resistance, it's an hourly resistance, and then obviously it's a 15-minute resistance. Thanks, bro. Do you always go with the trend on your trades? Nah, not always. Like, let me try and pick something. Like, I mean, this trade I was looking at before, I wanted to buy it, but just didn't give us a cleaner opportunity. We had this strong push down, 30-minute candles are getting weaker and weaker, and then this next one had a good wick down, and then it nearly pushed up and were able to engulf. If it was able to engulf the previous red, and then this next candle were to give a good wick down, I would enter on the push up. So yes, that's going against the trend. Alright, so that's the first 15. I follow got in at the bottom of that. Fuck, did you really? That's hectic. Yep, now we wait for an opportunity. Yeah, what is NQ doing after that? Jesus, what the fuck? This was actually fucking... I'd like to see a small body red get printed here. Need some red. Not even a small body red, just a red would be good. I need to get like Dan lads. I need to get to 200 viewership at 5. I mean, it's not terrible for a first stream. Nah. I would need a candle closure above. You need to enter after a candle closure. So I'll use this for an example as well. Like you could have used this as a case for a buy. This candle obviously we pushed up, broke above resistance. Then this one flipped up. Wait, sorry. Let me read the question again. Nah, so actually, nah. If this were to flip down and create a bigger bottom wick and then flip back up, I wouldn't enter that. I would need a candle closure. Like you want the candle to close. But I mean, right now we've had so much green. I'd want some red to be printed. Ideally, I would like this candle to get closed red, like down here, and then the next one push up and break above. This 30-minute candle is crazy and just this structure on Anchor is crazy. Like, from Toronto. Oh yeah, sweet as. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we can get it set up. Like, yeah, it'd be good obviously to get it set up. I mean, I'm not gonna force it. I'm up about $470 for the day, Australian. So yeah. Where are you from, Cody? California. Oh yeah, nice. That's sick. That's sick. We'll see if we can get a fucking... I love this to close red. Give us some red gold. Alright. Let's see if we can break below. I need a green. I mean, I've got a good view of, like, you can see Gold Coast, like the skyline of Gold Coast. It's just, yeah, I just don't have a fucking high quality camera like him where you can actually see behind and like see out the window and shit. I've just got a Logitech webcam, like one of those small as ones. lads. First proper stream. Soup. Soup. Yeah, Dan has a course. If you go onto his website right now, you're able to sign up and join the waitlist for the 3.0 course. Highly recommend, to be honest with you. Let's see if we can get anything here. NQ's just doing some weird shit, but I'm loving this. If this can create a red, doesn't matter what size. What's going on, Keefy Monster? How you going? NQ, not giving us anything so far. Yeah, it is breaking, Cody, but fuck, just so much green. Like, I'm not sure. The retest will have to be like textbook. We'll see. It is a 30 min. That's it. That is true. That is true. It is a 30 min, but fuck, look at that candle. 68 pips. T-Field. I mean, yeah, you are right, but Well, it's good that it's created that top wick. If it does want to fucking give us a good bottom wick, could be interested. Could be very interested, but it is a little bit scary. NQ, no. NQ isn't. Yeah, we need, if we are gonna even take this, we need a good wick to the downside. But I don't have faith, to be honest. Not one bit of faith. What are you gonna do to us, gold? What are you gonna do? Oh, it gives. See, now if it gives us a good wick from here. Okay, come on, give us a better wick. Fuck. I'm not sure, guys. I'm not sure on taking this. The top wick is kind of a bit too far, like. I'm not sure. I'll do very low lots, 2 lots. Yeah, nah. Look how much it's already. How's the music, guys? Is the music good? Is it a good volume, or do you want it? Does it need to be turned down a little bit? if this wants to do you prefer to enter your it really just depend, like we were looking at this, like, let me try to find an example. I mean, it all kind of varies, to be honest. Spectrum, Care, Health, whatever you want me to call you. But 15 and 30 is the main two ones I will use to enter. But you still got to take in the higher time frames into account when entering on the lower time frames. Like, you can't just use the lower time frames to execute a trade. You do need to go and take into account on the higher time frames. But if this 15 candle wants to do what it's doing right now and close roughly where it is, I'm interested in a sell. And that's what we call the type 2. Well, you should do I prefer. I don't know, sorry. A 30 minute gives you a stronger confirmation. Like, if you were to get, I don't want to use that, but if you were to get a 30 minute breakout rather than a 50 minute breakout, like, just say this candle here was a 30 minute closure, you would 100% take that as a trade. Higher time frames hold higher power, so yeah, take the 30 minute into consideration when you are taking trades. If it's looking good on the 30 minute, then there's a good chance it'll work out, but then again, trading is random, so you don't know what could happen. Dan's freezing. That's it, Cody. But I'm kind of liking this so far, but gold does a fucking lot of weird shit. I'll use this as an example. Spectrum. I'll call you Spectrum, that's it. Say this 15 minute closes like this, but then it gave a small body green. I would still use the 30 minute to take this as a type 2 sell. So if it were to close how it is now, then the next one obviously wick up, retest that area, then push down. I would enter that and push down and aim down here. But I really need to figure out how to get the zoom. I thought it was raining. I really need to get the zoom fucking drawing tool. just for the moment. And same with NQ. NQ is pushing down. We'll see what happens. I'll be back 2 seconds, guys. Yeah, well, I mean, that's the aim. To be honest with you, Spectrum. I wanna create an audience, and then get my own little business running, whether it be through a course. But yeah, this is what I want to do. I want to do what Dan's doing. Damn, we're really pushing it. Don't push too far though, like stay around there. Damn, gold. Don't go too far. I mean, even if like, just say this type 2 sell doesn't work out, we get this red printed, and then we can get a breakout above here. That'll be good. And then NQ's pushing, but it's kind of stuck in this range, to be honest. Like, you're getting these big pushes and then they'll fucking reject. It's doing some weird shit, that's for sure. Yeah, no, I'm very interested in that. If it does push below, break below, yeah, I'm interested, but I don't reckon it will. And then gold's doing some weird shit. Like, if it creates a small body red, could be interested in impulse buy, because it's showing so much rejection. That's a weak breakout. And you got all these wicks. Nah. I could easily miss out on that goal. I mean, on that NQ. might put a fucking... What's NQ doing again quickly? There's just so many wicks and like rejection here. It's just moving weird. I'm not touching NQ, I don't think. Putting 6 micros on here because we had such a strong rejection from the downside, pushed up in those last minute. We'll see what happens. So like NQ. We could see if NQ gives us a 30-minute breakout. The 30-minute breakout could be on the cards, but we'll have to see. And this is what I do, guys. Before I take a trade, I mark out 20 pips instead of limit sell for 80%. And that's just an easy way of being able to mark out your 20 pip range. 20 pips, 33. $31 pips. I'm gonna just make this smaller, just not as big. PC's bugging. I look at GG's, man. Please don't. Yes. Oh, reconnect, come on. Come on, bro. My computer fucking does this stupid shit sometimes. Come on, bro. Everything else is connected. Why would you not fucking load up? So you load up YouTube, but Topset won't load. Make it make sense. Make it make fucking sense, you fucking stupid fuck. Come on. Bro, come on. Fuck, I might need to end stream, guys. I might need to end stream if... couldn't identify, like... Oh, sorry guys, I've got to end this stream. My Topset and that is just fucking... Everything else is loading, but for whatever reason my Topset and Bullinox does not want to load. So yeah, I've got to go, guys. I've got to try and catch this trade before it taps me in, if it does tap me in. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in for the stream.